Hi, my name is Solomon, and I'm excited once again to be presenting to you another exciting topic where we will be answering a valuable questions you might be asking. And so today we'll be answering the question, what is the best tech career for me? All right, so next is the product manager. A product manager is one who identifies customers' needs and then work on getting the features that product or service we need to ensure it's a success, and then rallies a team to turn that vision into reality. So now, what are the skills and qualification needed for you to be a product manager? One, I've learned the fundamental of product management, gain business domain knowledge such as the user and the industry. Then also project management skills, which can be gotten through certification.